The Aussie versus US dollar is off to a negative start to the trading week. That start did hold resistance at its highs against a key moving average. I'll talk to that and other technical details in this video, so let's get started. There are a couple things in play off of this chart. One is this 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. If you take a look at that green line right here and trading at the end of last week, the price moved up toward it and then rotated back to the downside and then moved up toward it. And again in trading here today, I'll zoom in a little bit to show you that price action at that high. Here is the high from Friday's trade, and here's the high today, right up to that green line, and found willing sellers against that level. The move to the downside in trading here today did find support initially against the 100 bar moving average, as you do. So there's a battle going on between up here and down here. That ultimately was won by the sellers on the break of the 100 bar moving average. We also fell back below the 38.2% retracement. Another move down from this high to this low right here. That's the, I guess, the July high to the early August low. The fall below that level also added to the pressure to the downside. What didn't happen on the move lower is that the lows from last week weren't breached down here near the 0.6481 level. Instead, we found support buyers against that level. So we have a triple bottom coming in right near that level, or give or take a few pips here, here, and here. And if the sellers are to take more control, they're going to need to get below that level. And once they do, then we'll start to look toward the 100-day down here, which also happens to correspond with this swing low right here. So we would head down toward the 0.6450 level, and that would be the key target. Now, what would turn the ship around, of course, would be a move back above the 100 bar moving average, back above the 38.2% retracement. If the price can do that, then the sellers who are on this break right here would obviously be disappointed on the failure of the market to extend to the downside, extend further to the downside toward what probably the hope was a 100-day moving average. So sellers are in control, but there's work to do at the lows from last week at 0.6481. If they can take care of that, then it's a 100-day moving average target on the downside. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.